Question 3 from practice test 7 on compound angle formulas. Most of the questions which you have here, I already have solutions of similar kind of questions in the videos in my playlist on compound angle formulas, correct? So go through those in case you have difficulty. So I'm not really giving you solutions here, but I'm just telling you or giving you some hints. But before that, it is up to you to practice, correct? So therefore, copy these questions. Question 3. Evaluate each of the following. A. Sine pi by 12. B. Tan minus 7 pi by 12. And C. Cos of minus 15. Copy these questions, try to solve them. Once you have written down your solution, then you see the rest of the part of my video where I'll give you some suggestions on how to solve these or get the answers or solutions for these problems, correct? So, but if you have major difficulty, please feel free to write your comments or look for the videos which are relevant and similar to these questions. Now let's go through them one by one. Sine pi by 12. Sine pi by 12, we could write this in a form of, so we have pi by 12. So just consider pi by 12. What I found is that students sometimes they find it very difficult to relate with pi, and therefore when there's a fraction of pi by 12, it becomes very difficult for them. I'll show you some easy ways of writing it. So pi by 12 could be written as 4 minus 3 is 1, right? So it could be written as 4 pi minus 3 pi over 12. Is it okay? Now 4 pi by 12, think like this. 4 pi by 12 minus 3 pi by 12. I'm splitting these small steps so that you really get and it becomes easy for you. So 4 goes into 12 3 times. You get pi by 3 minus pi by 4. Do you see that? So you could write sine pi by 12 as sine pi by 3 minus pi by 4. Do you get this idea? And now you can always expand it, right? So this could be expanded, sine A minus B, which is sine pi by 3 cos pi by 4 minus cos of pi by 3 sine of pi by 4, correct? Use your special triangles. That's the other thing. So always use your special triangles. You can draw them here itself, correct? So let's draw both of them here, right? And in the special triangles, this is 45 degrees or pi by 4. So you get 1 square root 2, and that one is pi by 3, 90 degrees, 1 2 square root 3, and that is pi by 6, correct? So you have your special triangles. Read the values from here. Sine pi by 3. So pi by 3, square root 3 over 2, just plug it in. 1 over square root 2. And you're done, right? Just simplify it. So you can do that. Now here, let's look into the next example, which is tan of minus 7 pi by 12. How should we do this? Now my suggestion is, try to analyze. Think like this. We have this quadrant, 4 quadrants, right? 7 pi by 12 means this pi is divided into 12 parts and you want to be on the 7th. But this time it is minus. So you go clockwise instead of counterclockwise, correct? So there are 12 parts here. So when you go from here like this, then you cover 7 and you're left with 5. Do you see that? So this is minus 7 pi by 12. So that is this way, right? So this way, if you go like that, it is minus 7 pi by 12. But if you see it from the other side, okay, then the related acute angle for you is 5 pi by 12. Does it make sense? It is, right? So simple as that. Now, let's go further. One more step. Cast rule says tan is positive here. So this is supposed to be positive, right? Tan is positive. That is the cast rule, correct? So let me write down cast rule for you here once again. C-A-S-T. And tan is positive. Therefore, I can write this as tan of 5 pi by 12. Do you see that? The related acute angle for me is, we went like this clockwise, 7 pi by 12, 1 pi by 12, 2 pi by 12, like that 7. Left were 5 more, right? And therefore, if you see from the other side, related acute angle is 5 pi by 12, correct? So you land with 5 pi by 12, correct? And now you can split this. 5 pi by 12 can be written as 3 plus 2. Does it make sense? Tan of, let me just write big, 3 pi plus 2 pi. So that is 5. Do you see that? So tan pi, 5 pi by 12 can be written as this, and this could be written as tan of. You could divide by 3, so you get pi by 4, right? Plus pi by 6. Perfect. Now you can apply your formula and plug in the values. But this is kind of not that difficult, right? But I've seen students really struggling to do this. And that is the reason why I have 3 of them. So that you could always do the test problem without any problems, correct? That's the whole idea, right? After this, you can always apply your tan